create a future where machines are smarter, processes are more efficient, and innovation is the norm. To better understand the impact of AI in mechanical engineering, consider the case of its application in the automotive industry. Take a leading car manufacturer, for example. This company embraced AI, incorporating it into their production line to great effect. With AI, they were able to significantly improve the efficiency of their operations. Waste was drastically reduced as AI algorithms were used to optimize resource allocation and streamline processes. This not only saved material resources, but also valuable time. In addition, the quality of the final products was greatly enhanced. AI was used to meticulously inspect each vehicle, identifying and rectifying defects that might have been overlooked by the human eye. This resulted in cars that were more reliable, safer, and of a higher quality than ever before. But the benefits of AI didn't stop at production. The company also leveraged AI for predictive maintenance. AI algorithms were used to predict potential equipment failures before they occurred. This proactive approach drastically reduced downtime, allowing the company to maintain a consistently high level of productivity. Moreover, it saved significant costs that would have been incurred due to sudden equipment failure and emergency repairs. This case study showcases the transformative power of AI in mechanical engineering, especially within the automotive industry. The fusion of AI and mechanical engineering promises a future of unprecedented innovation and efficiency. We've seen how AI's potential extends beyond the realm of software, impacting the mechanical engineering field. From design analysis to predictive maintenance, it's already revolutionizing the automotive industry, enhancing production lines and reducing downtime. As we continue to explore the frontiers of AI in mechanical engineering, we can look forward to a future where machines are smarter, operations are smoother, and innovations are